This is Mike, NoStressMike.com, and we're making tea. And yes, it's this orange tea. They got orange peeling, the orange peeling, and they stuffed it with tea. Now they got the tea. And we got hot water. This is boiling hot water. This is really hot stuff. And see, they clean it with boiling hot water. It's rinsed off with boiling hot water. And as you may guess, there's going to be 3 of us having tea. So even rinsing all that off, the tea is it's more than just a cultural kind of thing. It tells a lot. We've talked about this before. It tells a lot about the person. Okay. Now, what you did is the first. She put the tea in. She put water in there, and that's to clean off all the nasty. If there's any nasty in the tea, that will be cleaned off. Now we're ready to start drinking the tea. Like I say, this is every day. This is the first thing that's done when we start the day, and we're drinking tea here. And now throughout the day, then we just add hot water, and then we make our tea through the day. And you can see the color of the tea. The better quality tea, we can add water throughout the day, and the tea will still come out like tea. And you see, you do like that, that says thank you when they're pouring it for you. And now you're ready. Now you're ready to have tea. And like I say, throughout the day, what we'll do is we'll add more water. You see this already poured it out. And what they'll do is add water to it, and then pour it in there, and then pour it. Now as we drink, then the host or hostess will pour the tea as you drink the tea. And this tray. Let me see. Pull that. You see, that's what holds the water. Okay, good. Because, like I say, we'll all the time be spilling it and all this kind of stuff. But that's what this whole thing is all about. And that's it. It's done each day. Now, there'll be a little bit of difference from the people that are pouring the tea. They'll have a different way of doing it. Each person has their own way of doing it, but it's all with the same thing in mind. It's a presentation when they give you the tea, and if the tea, they'll put water in it and they pour it in it. After about 3 or 4 times it loses its color. That's because it's cheap tea. So they're serving you cheap tea. And when we're doing business deals and stuff like that, we'll all the time have tea. And there'll be different pots and different ways. But this is basically the way it's done, is this way. This is Mike. NoStressMike.com.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.